Imagine crispy bites of potato, topped with bacon, feta, spring onion, and you can finish it with a queso sauce. First, the potatoes. I've used Neptune this time. Peel them and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Rather than parboil and then air fry, I'm going straight for the air fryer. So toss in oil, place in a preheated air fryer basket and add a touch of salt. Air fry for 8 minutes at 180. Next, the bacon. Trim any rind and cut into small pieces. I've used middle bacon here, but you can use shortcut. Start to fry the bacon off with a little bit of oil. Toss your potatoes and put them back in the air fryer for another 8 minutes at 180. Stir your bacon and toss your potatoes again before putting back in the air fryer for the final cook of 8 minutes at 180. Potatoes done. You can serve them as is now or reheat them later. Bacon done, and I like to drain it on a bit of paper towel. Now for the queso sauce. Half a cup of milk, half a cup of water, some chicken stock powder, roughly a teaspoon, and about 1/4 teaspoon of dry mustard powder. Bring to a gentle heat. Grate your cheese. Freshly grated cheese is best for this. Toss the grated cheese in corn flour. This not only stops your cheese from clumping, but it also helps thicken the sauce. Make sure the cheese is well coated. I'm reheating the potatoes and adding the cheese and corn flour to the milk and stock base. Add a little bit at a time and stir in between. Danish feta and 2 spring onions. Clean them and cut into small pieces. Put the potatoes in a serving dish, top with the bacon, spring onion and crumble over the feta. Looks good, hey? This can be served as is, or you can be decadent and pour over the queso sauce. Not bad.